Hi students, welcome to Shiv Physical Science Zone. Today we are going to explore changes around us, physical and chemical changes, irreversible and reversible changes, periodic and non-periodic changes, and changes caused by heat. Let us understand these concepts with simple everyday life examples. So let's begin. Then immediately move to our types of changes also. See now. Correct the given statements. The germination of seed is a reversible process. Is it reversible process? No, it is a irreversible process. In railway tracks, no gaps are left to take care of expansion of solids in summer. No, gaps are left. There will be the gaps. Okay, this is correct. Ripening of fruit is a slow and reversible process. No, it is not a reversible process. It is slow and irreversible process. Liquids contract on heating. No, it will expand on heating. Heating a mixture of iron and sulfur is a physical change. No, it is a chemical change. Soil erosion is a natural change. Evaporation of petrol is change of state from liquid to vapor. Rotation of the earth is a physical change. Making of paneer from milk is a chemical change. Burning of candle is a chemical change. Boiling of an egg is a chemical change. Mixing sugar in hot water is a physical change. A house on fire is a chemical change. Which of the following changes can be reversed? Grain to its floor. This can be reversed by the collection of flour and making it grain again. Is it possible? No, this is not possible. Okay, so which is not possible? So this is not possible. Grain to flour. Once the grain converted into flour, from flour we cannot get back the grain. Next, cow dung to biogas. This can be reversed by using the biogas and getting cow dung again as a slurry. Okay, from biogas we can get it back. Cold milk to hot milk. This can be reversed on cooling the hot milk. Stretching of a rubber band. This can be after releasing we can get back. Bud to flower. This cannot be reversed. Okay, flower cannot become bud. Okay. Of course, after drying up, it may become small, but that will not be called as bud. Okay, it cannot be converted into bud. Next, straight string to coiled ring. This can be reversed. Okay, we can coil it and we can get it back as a straight one. Next, milk to paneer. This cannot be reversed. And woolen yarn knitted pulled over. Okay, when once woolen yarn is converted into sweater. Of course, with extreme hard work we can remove the threads in the sweater, we can get it back, we can pull back, but it takes much time. Few things can be get back and few cannot get back. Heat can cause many types of changes in our surroundings. How many types of changes can occur on the basis of change in heat? There are 5 types of changes that can occur on the basis of change in heat of the system. Number 1, change in state. When heat is added or removed, a substance changes from one state to another state. Ice melts to water on heating, water turns into steam on heating. Next, thermal expansion. When heat is added, most of the substance expand. Metal expands on heating. Gaps are left in the railway tracks for the expansion. Contraction on cooling. When heat is removed, most of the substance contract on size is going to be decreased. Metal contract on cooling and liquids contract on cooling. Next one, change in volume of the gas. On heating, gas expands, on cooling, they contract. Air in the balloon expands on heating, air in the same balloon contract on cooling. Change in pressure. Change in heat can change the pressure. Pressure cooker builds pressure on heat. Aerosol cans may burst in if heated. Okay, if heated. So, heat can cause different types of changes in a system. These changes are change in state, thermal expansion, contraction of cooling, change in volume of the gas and change in pressure. These changes helps in many ways in our daily life. Give few examples of physical changes in which change of state is involved. A change of state is when a substance changes from one state to another state due to change in temperature. No new substance is formed. Melting of ice, boiling of water, freezing of water, condensation on steam, sublimation of camphor and deposition of frost. Okay, so these are all the examples of physical changes in which change of state takes place. Okay children, thank you one and all. We will meet in the next class. Bye.